Now here, when we scroll down a bit more, it says that you can earn the following. So up to 20% commissions per new user order via your code that we'll be seeing later on. Now we also have the download reward here, which is going to be $3, and from there, per new application and download and log in via the affiliate link that we'll be getting later on, you'll be able to earn $3 Australian, which is a very good deal because you just need to share that specific link for you to start earning. Now, also, you have the following event here, which is the referral race, wherein you'll be able to earn bonuses via this specific event here. So currently there's a timer for it. Like for example, we only have a 4 hours for us to get those bonuses via this specific race here. Now once we scroll up here, we'll be able to see different information as well. Now here we have share to earn. So like what I said before, we have links and codes that we could share to other people. Like for example, if you want to share your link, go ahead and click on copy here. And from here, you could go ahead and choose whatever platform here if you want to share this to other platform. Now, currently we have X, Facebook, Pinterest, and email in here. Now, also we have our code here. If you want to share that, click on copy here. And same thing, you could go ahead and choose whatever platform here. But if you click on share to earn here, same thing, same pop-up. What you need to do is just either click on copy link or copy code here. And from there, you could go ahead and start sharing this to your friends, your family members, or even to people that you want to basically advertise this on. Now here, we also have the Your Referrals Benefits section here. So currently, through your link, a 100 Australian dollars coupon bundle will be added also, and a redeem code that is 30% off will also be available. So in this case, how do we maximize on sharing this link here? So I would suggest you, whenever you share your link, that you make sure that you actually mention one of the benefits of actually using your link here. Like for example, like what we mentioned before, we have the Through Your Link $100 coupon bundle here, as well as a 30% off redeem for your code. So regardless on what type of a link that you access here, maybe your code or your link, you'll be able to start earning via their sign up. Now in this case, when you start sharing your link, I would suggest that you build a platform first. Now first things first is you want to basically determine where you want to share this link here. An example for it is TikTok. So TikTok is a very popular app wherein you'll be able to share funny things or even just share products there and add a link on that specific post or regarding your link. Like for example, you just share a product from Temu here, and you could go ahead and start adding those links into the description itself. Now in this case, you could go ahead and use Instagram as well, which is a great platform to share links or even products, and from there just include the links on the post that you'll be getting for you to basically start promoting your link here. How to dropship on Temu. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you dropship in Temu? So currently, directly dropshipping from Temu is actually kinda not possible as of this moment, but there's going to be some things that you can do to make a workaround around this one. So currently, we'll be using Shopify. Now in this case, how do we actually get started? So first things first is you need to have an account on Temu. So in this case, make sure that you have an account. In this case, at the top right here, you should be able to see your name here, or if you haven't logged in first, you should be able to see the sign in or sign up button in here. But once you've created your account, we're now ready to start adding our Temu products into our Shopify store. Now what we need to do here is we need to go to our Shopify store here. So go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and also make sure that you have your initial setup done. In this case, once you've done that, let's go to our product section here. And under products, what we need to do next is we need to look for products that we want to add. Now in this case, let's go back to Temu here. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to search for a product that we want to include. So for example, let's just scroll down a bit here, and maybe we want to have this product here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on that product, you should be able to see list of products here. So by the way, if you are going to the deal section here, it's going to give you the store itself, but let's go ahead and click on the actual product here. And as you can see, there are going to be some details that you should be able to see regarding this product. So what we need to do first is we need to copy the title of the product. In this case, let's go and copy the title itself. Right click on it, click on copy. Let's go and go back into our Shopify store and click on add product. Now what we need to do next is we just need to add our title and also the description. Let's go and go back to our product here, scroll down a bit here and look for the description section. Now in this case, make sure to include all the details that you'll be seeing here. And as you can see, here's the details section. So in this case, let's go and click on see more. Let's go ahead and copy all the information that you see here. In this case, let's go and copy this one, go back into our Shopify store, paste it, and also include any images that you see there. Now in this case, once you've done that, all we need to do is we need to fill out all the details. In this case, let's go ahead and go back to the product itself. And from here, let's go and choose this product here, right click on it. And from here, let's go and open this in the new tab. And from here, right click on it again and click on save image. And from here, we want to click on save. Now from here, let's go back to our Shopify store, click on upload new. And from here, let's go and go to the location where we have our image. And from here, we should be able to see it. So if you don't see it, make sure you are in the correct folder. Now, by the way, if the image is in this format here, what you need to do is you just need to open up your snip here on your Windows. And from here, let's go ahead and make sure to have a snip of that specific image. So let's go ahead and snip this image here. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the file at the top left here. Click on save as. And from here, let's go ahead and save this on downloads. And let's just say it is going to be a hoodie. So let's go ahead and include the color itself. And from here, let's go ahead and click on save. Now let's go ahead and go back into our Shopify store. Click on upload new again. Go to your downloads here and click on the hoodie. Click on open. And it should start uploading the image itself, as you can see right now. Now also we need to include the pricing itself. So to basically identify the pricing of that product is you just need to look at the product itself. And as you can see, currently it's being sold as $10.89 as of this moment. So in this case, you could go ahead and just indicate whatever price